Poland develop Courier Unmanned Cargo Helicopter. Polish Defense Technology Company Flyfocus HS developed the Courier Unmanned Helicopter, a 600 kg class logistics platform. The heavy drone system is designed to deliver cargo autonomously to units operating beyond conventional resupply reach. According to the company, Courier is capable of carrying more than 200 kg of cargo and is intended primarily to support special force operating deep behind the front line. The platform can operate in GPS-degraded environment and under electronic warfare conditions, reflecting current battlefield requirements. The project is being developed by a consortium that include Flyfocus, Fusion Copte, and the Institute of Fundamental Technological Research of the Polish Academy of Science. It is funded by Poland's National Centre for Research and Development under the supervision of the Ministry of Defense, with a program value of approximately 5 million euros. As noted by the company, the program was launched in February 2024 and is approaching technology readiness level C following a series of flight tests conducted in Polish military training area under operationally relevant conditions. In a statement, Flyfocus founder Igor Skawinski said, Courier represents a breakthrough in autonomous battlefield logistics and a major step towards strengthening Poland's technological sovereignty in unmanned operational support system. He added, military systems are only as reliable as the supply chain behind them. Flyfocus was built on the belief that trusted, European-controlled technology is a prerequisite for real military security. That is why we design and manufacture our system in Europe using components sourced exclusively from NATO-aligned suppliers, ensuring full supply chain transparency and long-term reliability. The Courier Unmanned Helicopter HS a maximum takeoff weight of 600 kg and an anti-weight of 350 kg. It can reach speed of up to 180 km/h and HS a flight endurance ranging from 3 to 10 hours depending on mission configuration. The system is designed to operate at altitude up to 4,000 meters above sea level, with potential for high ceiling depending on configuration. ETS combination of payload capacity and endurance place it in a class of medium-weight unmanned logistics helicopter designed to support extended operation. Unmanned logistics helicopter such as Courier are used to transport ammunition, medical supply, and other critical cargo to units without exposing personnel or crewed aircraft to risk. Autonomous or remotely piloted system can be deployed in a threat environment where manned resupply mission may be impractical. The ability to operate in GPS-denied or electronically contested environment is a key requirement for modern unmanned system, a adversary increasingly target navigation and communication system. Platform designed for such conditions typically rely on alternative navigation methods and resilient control system. The company also noted that the Courier platform could support maritime operations, including ship-to-ship resupply and surveillance mission. Additional potential use include monitoring critical infrastructure and supporting anti-submarine warfare operations, although these applications remain prospective.